excellence. Every year, billions of banana stems are discarded after harvesting fruit. But inside this advanced factory, using advanced automation, every banana stem passes through sorting, cutting, fiber extraction, mold. Watch as strong natural banana fibers are transformed into durable fabric, stylish luxury bags, elegant woven rug. From agricultural waste to high-value luxury products, this remarkable process proves that every banana stem can be
One natural banana fiber creates countless beautiful and eco-friendly products.
This is the complete factory process of how billions of banana stems become luxury bags, rugs, and fabric. This is the incredible journey of how billions of banana stems become luxury bags, rugs, and fabric. Fresh banana stems arrive at the factory to begin their transformation into premium natural fiber products. Every banana stem is carefully inspected before entering the production line. Only the highest quality banana stems continue to the next production stage. The banana stems are sorted to guarantee consistent fiber quality. Sorted banana stems move toward precision cutting machines. Powerful machines cut every banana stem into precise processing sections. Each banana stem section is prepared for fiber extraction. The outer banana stem layers are removed to expose the strong natural fibers. Inside every banana stem lies a strong, eco-friendly natural fiber. Advanced extraction machines separate the valuable banana fibers with remarkable precision. Thousands of meters of premium banana fiber are produced every hour. Every part of the banana stem is recycled to reduce waste. The banana fibers are thoroughly washed to achieve exceptional purity. Every banana fiber is cleaned to meet premium manufacturing standards. The clean banana fibers are dewatered and prepared for the drying process. After washing, the banana fibers enter advanced drying systems to remove remaining moisture. Controlled drying protects the strength and flexibility of every banana fiber. Intelligent sensors ensure every banana fiber reaches the perfect moisture level. The dried banana fibers are now ready for softening and refinement. Specialized softening machines transform stiff banana fibers into flexible premium material. The banana fibers are carefully aligned for consistent weaving quality. Each banana fiber becomes softer while maintaining exceptional natural strength. The refined banana fibers now have a luxurious natural texture. The banana fibers are prepared for beautiful natural colors. Eco-friendly dyes give the banana fibers rich and lasting colors. The colored banana fibers are gently rinsed for a flawless finish. The dyed banana fibers are dried once again to lock in their brilliant colors. Every banana fiber is inspected to ensure perfect color and quality. The banana fibers are spun into durable yarn for luxury products. Strong banana yarn is prepared for fabric, rug, and bag production.
Now the premium banana yarn is ready to become luxury fabric, elegant rugs, and beautiful bags. The premium banana yarn now enters fully automated weaving machines.
Thousands of banana fibers are woven together into durable luxury fabric. Every centimeter of banana fabric is inspected for flawless weaving.
Advanced weaving technology creates a variety of premium banana fabrics.
Another production line transforms banana yarn into elegant woven rugs. Precision weaving gives every banana rug a premium handcrafted appearance.
Every banana rug is carefully inspected before finishing. Each banana rug is measured with absolute precision.
The banana fabric now enters the luxury bag production line. Precision cutting prepares every banana fabric piece for assembly. Every banana fabric component is positioned for flawless assembly. Automated stitching transforms banana fabric into luxury bag structures. Each banana bag receives strong handles and premium finishing details. Every banana bag is carefully refined for strength and elegance.
The banana fibers have now become beautiful bags, rugs, and luxury fabrics.
The journey continues as every banana product enters the final finishing stage. Every banana product is carefully cleaned before its final finish. Precision trimming creates a flawless appearance for every banana product.
Each banana bag receives a premium natural finish.
The banana rugs are brushed to reveal their luxurious texture. The banana fabric is refined for exceptional softness and strength. Advanced inspection systems check every banana product for perfection.
Every banana product must pass strict quality standards.
Each banana fabric roll is tested for long-lasting performance.
Every banana bag is tested for strength and reliability. Every banana rug is tested to ensure lasting comfort and durability.
The finished banana fabric is neatly prepared for packaging.
Every banana fabric roll is prepared for safe transport. The banana rugs are carefully folded to preserve their premium quality. The transformation is complete, and every banana product is ready for final packaging. Every banana product is automatically sorted before packaging. Each banana bag is protected to ensure it arrives in perfect condition. Every banana rug is carefully wrapped to preserve its premium quality. Premium banana fabric is securely wrapped for global delivery. Every banana product receives a unique identity for complete traceability. Premium banana fabric is packed for safe international shipping. Every banana shipment is stabilized for secure transportation. Driverless vehicles transport banana products to the distribution center. The completed banana products are stored in a fully automated warehouse. Smart warehouse technology prepares banana products for global orders. The luxury banana products are now ready to begin their journey around the world. Every banana product now enters the fully automated shipping department. Each banana bag is perfectly shaped before final packaging. Automated robots carefully load the luxury banana bags for worldwide delivery. Every banana rug is securely loaded for safe transportation. The banana products arrive at global distribution hubs ready for delivery. Smart automation organizes every banana shipment with remarkable precision. The finished banana fabric is carefully prepared for global export.
Every banana shipment is digitally verified before leaving the factory.
The completed banana products begin their journey to customers around the world. From the factory, banana products travel through advanced global logistics networks. Rail transportation helps deliver banana products quickly and efficiently. Ocean freight connects banana products with markets across the world. The journey from banana stem to luxury product is finally complete.
Discarded banana stems have been transformed into premium, eco-friendly luxury products. Banana fiber becomes stylish luxury bags with exceptional durability. What was once discarded banana stems has become luxury products admired around the world.
This is the complete factory process of how billions of banana stems become luxury bags, rugs, and fabric.
From agricultural waste to premium products, the banana transformation is extraordinary.
Thank you for watching how billions of banana stems become luxury bags, rugs, and fabric.